Hi everybody, welcome to MathJLab Educare. In this lesson, we are going to talk about number systems. Today, we are going to take a little journey into the history of numbers. Have you ever wondered, where did numbers come from? Who invented them?
No ma'am, we don't know.
Okay, no problem, let's find together. A long time ago, thousands of years ago, people did not have numbers like 1, 2, 3.
So, how did they count?
Good question, and that is very interesting. During those times, if someone had 2 cows, they didn't say 2. Instead, they might just point and show their fingers. Numbers did not exist, but people still needed a way to count things, like animals, fruits, or people in their tribe. The earliest humans used stones, sticks, or marks on walls to count. For example, if they caught 3 fish, they might put 3 stones on the ground. If they gave away 1 fish, they would remove 1 stone. This was one of the first ways of recording numbers. The Ashango bone is possibly the oldest mathematical artifact still in existence. It was discovered in 1950, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, in Central Africa. It dates back to the Upper Paleolithic period of human history, and is approximately 20,000 years old. The bone is 10 centimeters long and contains a series of notches, which many scientists believe were used for counting.
So, the ancient people used stones or sticks or marks for their calculation, isn't it?
So, a Shango bone is the most old ancient tool for measuring or counting numbers.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. In ancient time, different civilizations adopted their own counting system. There was no unique counting system or number system that we have now. As time passed, different groups of people around the world made their own number systems. Sumerian and Babylonian number system. The Babylonian numeral system is the oldest known positional numeral system. Sumerian and Babylonian mathematics was based on a sexagesimal or base 60 numeric system. To represent the numbers 1 to 59 within each place value, 2 distinct symbols were used like this. These symbols come from cuneiform and are pronounced as nail and hook. The symbols are grouped when there are more than 3. Below you can see the numbers 1 to 60. As you can see, the Babylonian numerals for 1 and 60 are the same. The Babylonians had no symbol for 0. Therefore, for 60, only the nail was written with an invisible space behind it. For this reason 61 is written as 2 nails with a space in between. Next we talk about Egyptian number system. Let's see what system of number they use. The Egyptians had a basis 10 system of hieroglyphs for numerals. 1 is shown by a single stroke. 10 is shown by a drawing of a hobble for cattle. 100 is represented by a coil of rope. 1000 a drawing of a lotus plant. 10,000 is represented by a finger. 100,000 a tadpole or frog. 1,000,000 figure of a god with arms raised above his head.
So, in the ancient time, the Egyptian used flower, human finger, animal as symbol for counting.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Let's now talk about Roman number system. Have you heard the name of Roman emperor? The Roman number system was developed during reign of the Roman emperor. Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome, that are written with combinations of letters from the Latin alphabet, each with a fixed integer value. The modern style uses only these 7, I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. The use of Roman numerals continued long after the decline of the Roman Empire. From the 14th century on, Roman numerals began to be replaced by Arabic numerals. However, this process was gradual, and the use of Roman numerals persisted in various places, including on clock faces. For instance, on the clock of Big Ben, designed in 1852, the hours from 1 to 12 are written as I, 2, 3, IV, V, V, 7, 8, X, X, 11, 12.
Yes, I have a watch that has clock face with Roman numbers.
That's very interesting. Greek number system. Greek numerals, also known as Ionic, Ionian, Milesian, or Alexandrian numerals, is a system of writing numbers using the letters of the Greek alphabet like this. Ancient Greek people used their alphabets not just to write words, but also to write numbers. There were 27 letters in ancient Greek alphabets, and there was no symbol for 0. From the chart, you can see that they used the alphabet alpha to count number 1, and for 10, they used the alphabet iota.
And for 200, they used the alphabet sigma.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Greek letters serve distinct functions in modern mathematics. Variables. Letters like alpha or beta can represent unknown variables. Constants. Certain Greek letters are assigned specific mathematical constants, with pi being a prime example, representing the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Mayan number system. The Mayan number system is based on 20. It is widely believed that this is because we have 20 digits to count with 10 fingers and 10 toes. The Mayans, along with the Hindus, are important for inventing the concept of 0. Hindu-Arabic number system. Hindu-Arabic numerals are the base 10-positional number system using symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, invented by Indian mathematicians between the 1st and 4th centuries. This system spread to the Middle East and then Europe through the work of mathematicians like Al-Khwarizmi, leading to its widespread use today. Its key innovations are the concept of place value and the symbol for 0, which revolutionized mathematics by making arithmetic significantly easier and more efficient. The Hindu-Arabic system is considered a pivotal innovation in the history of mathematics, and has been the foundation of modern mathematics. The evolution of Hindu-Arabic number, that is the modern number, is shown in the flowchart here.
So, the numbers that we are using now have come from the Hindu-Arabic number.
Yes, you are absolutely right. One of the most amazing inventions in history was the number 0. Many ancient civilizations, like the Greeks and Romans, did not have a 0 in their numeral system. From Cambodia, the concept was passed to India, where the Hindu-Arabic numeral system originated. From there, it spread to the Middle East and Europe, and we still use it today. So children, numbers are not just symbols, they are part of a big story that humans created to solve problems. From stones and sticks to Roman numerals to the modern numbers we use today, numbers have traveled a long, exciting journey. Now, numbers are everywhere. In our phones. In money. In time. In games. Even in space travel. Numbers help us count, measure, calculate, and understand the world better. Now, we are at the end of our lesson. Through this lesson, we have learned some ancient number systems that was developed in ancient times for counting. Later on we have seen how the modern number system has been evolved. Hope we are coming with a new lesson very soon. Till then, stay tuned and happy. Bye.